guys, welcome back to Unicorn Slime Squad, and today I'm collabing with Squishy Squad. So today we are gonna do our top 5 favorite squishies in my collection. So yes. Okay, first is Squishy Squad slime.
My
Favorite squishies.
My first favorite squishy for my cousin is this this bun squishy. It's so soft, and yeah.
For me, I have this burger, and sorry if you can hear some background noises. This is the burger. It's like real sesame seeds. It's the sides. So yeah.
This is my second favorite. This is the third favorite squish for my cousin, and this is the first. And yeah, it's kind of dense,
But it's tiny and cute.
yeah.
My fourth favorite squishy that I have is this one. Because I'm gonna do like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So yeah.
My second favorite squishy is for my cousin is this, like the frog squishy. This is all of the replica. The license is over like $20
Or $13.
Yes. So squishy, and yeah.
Next, for my favorite squishies, I got this Tickles bun. Money bun. I wrapped it in Ziploc, so yeah. Next squishy.
Next squishy is this donut one. I have this too, and the hamburger one I have that too. So very
This one?
squishy. Yeah, it was. Very squishy.
My second favorite squishy is this Tickles donut. You could actually see the Tickles thing there for 80 pesos. It's so tiny and it's for
Is
like
that
$1.
80 pesos? Not.
Yes.
What the?
It's so squishy. Okay.
And my last favorite squishy, and the donut again. It's so very squishy. And yeah.
And my first favorite squishy is this frog too because it's so cute. And look at the foot, it's so squishy. Look, it's not rising. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be part of the Unicorn Slime Squad. And yeah. Bye!
Bye-bye! Unicorners is my squishy. I don't know. Okay. OMG, you put my squishy. Yay! I got this squishy. And I got this donut squishy.
Say hi,
Donut
Kylie.
apple squishy.
Hi!
Sorry.